Welcome to the weekly press briefing of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, where we aim to provide you with an update on the proceedings and activities of the court this week and a look ahead at next week. As always, we would very much welcome any questions you may have at the end of the briefing, and we will try to answer them as best we can. Last Friday, the Court of Appeals panel decided on the appeals by Kadri Veseli, Recep Salimi, and Jakub Krasniqi against the pretrial judge's decision on their continued detention. The appeals panel granted one ground of appeal raised by the accused and returned the matter to the pretrial judge to further assess whether there are measures that may mitigate the risks associated with the potential release of the accused and be effectively enforced by the Kosovo police. All other grounds of appeal raised by the accused were dismissed by the Court of Appeals panel. On Monday and Tuesday of this week, the third prosecution witness in the Salih Mustafa trial testified. The witness gave evidence on the crimes allegedly committed in Zlash in April 1999. The witness was questioned first by the Specialist Prosecutor's Office, then by Victims' Counsel, and then by the lawyer representing Mr. Salih Mustafa. The judges of the trial panel also put questions to the witness. The fourth witness in the case against Mr. Mustafa is scheduled to testify next week on Tuesday, the 12th of October. The hearing starts at 9:30 and will be broadcast with a 45-minute delay. This morning, the second trial before the Kosovo Specialist Chambers began in the case against Mr. Hisni Gutsati and Mr. Nasim Haradinaj. The accused are charged with 2 counts of criminal offenses against public order and 4 counts of criminal offenses against the administration of justice. At today's hearing, the specialist prosecutor and other prosecutors from his office delivered their opening statement, explaining what the charges against the accused are and what the SPO intends to prove by the end of their case. The presentation of the prosecution's evidence will commence on 18th of October, and the prosecution intends to call 3 witnesses. The trial panel has set a target date of 9 November for the closing of the specialist prosecutor's case. If the defense decides to present a case, including calling any defense witnesses, this will take place after the end of the prosecution's case. The trial panel has set a target date of 17th December for the closing of the entire case.